Tired of crypto complexities? Let's unlock the easiest way to buy Solana using PayPal and your Phantom wallet, even though it's not directly possible. First, head over to PayPal. You'll need a verified account with sufficient funds. If you don't have one, take a moment to sign up and link your bank account or card. Next, you'll use PayPal to buy crypto on a centralized exchange. Popular options include Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. Search for and purchase a commonly traded cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Remember, some exchanges might have fees for buying with PayPal, so compare them before you click. Confirm your purchase through PayPal on the exchange. Double-check all the details, the amount, the cryptocurrency, and the fees before you finalize the transaction. Now, withdraw your purchased crypto from the exchange to your Phantom wallet. Find your Phantom wallet address by opening your wallet and clicking Deposit, then choose Solana. Copy that address carefully. Paste your Phantom wallet address into the withdrawal address field on the exchange. Triple check it's correct. A wrong address could mean losing your crypto. Then, initiate the withdrawal. Finally, wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes. Once confirmed, your Solana will appear in your Phantom wallet, ready to use in the Solana ecosystem. Remember, this method involves an intermediary exchange, which may incur conversion fees. Weigh the pros and cons before you start buying.